There are various ways to create a custom tile in Vray. Let's take a look at them. One of the most efficient and effective methods is to use a procedural grid texture and then load the specific image you want to appear on the tile into one of the two channels. Let's imagine it's this particular one, an image perhaps downloaded from the manufacturer's website where there is currently no grout line visible at all. We load it in here, and in the other channel, which is the grout color, we can set any color we like. For example, let's use a dark gray now, or we could also specify either a texture or a specific RGB value there. Now let's go ahead and narrow the grout line. Please keep in mind that these measurements are in inches. And when I apply the material to a surface within Vray, with the grout line, whose size depends on the size we're assigning to the material. So, if we imagine it's a 60 by 60 tile, it's still a good idea to check what the actual width of the grout line is. Once you have finished that step, we can take this entire texture map and copy it. Go ahead and copy it, then paste it into both the reflection channel and the bump channel to apply it correctly. By following this process, we've also given the surface the right amount of three-dimensional depth and a realistic shine.